having knowledge of English grammar, we are unable to speak English. Do you know why? Because of lack of practicing. So suppose you have lots of grammar knowledge up to advanced level, but you are finding difficulty to speak English and interact to people. So because of lack of practicing, so there is no other way to improve your communication skill, only you have to practice. Whenever you get a chance, you have to do practice. But the question is, do you have a partner to communicate? No. I think most of the students say no. So that is why I am going to say about app's name. One app's name which will be very helpful to you, because I use it. I am not a promoter, so I use it and I got benefit. That is why I would like to recommend you. So Josh skill app, it is fantastic app. You can use it. You can improve your communication skill by using this app, because there are lots of important English grammar rules are there, and also there are lots of people are there who are very interested to interact to you, and you can improve by practicing with them. So definitely your English will be improved lots. So please keep watching my video, and
thank you so much. If you think it is benefit video, then please subscribe and comment.